Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome. You guys could tell what today's video is gonna be. We are gonna be doing my PR unboxing that I do every month. If you guys hear like a air noise, I have my heater on. It is freezing today, so I'm definitely gonna keep it on. But let's go ahead and open these packages. All right, before I get started with my PR, I wanted to show you guys what I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale, just because I only got two things. But I picked up a repurchase. This is from Beauty Blender, and it's their solid charcoal cleanser. This is what I use on my sponge every single day. This is like $50. I was telling my siblings that I spent $50 on a soap, and they just were baffled, and they were like, really? But I also use it on my brushes whenever I decide to clean them. Look how big it is. It's huge. But I always get the big one just because if I get the small one, I run out way too fast. And so definitely had to get this. I don't know, I just like to clean my sponge every day because if not, I feel like I will break out. So I definitely had to get that when it was on sale. And then I also got another repurchase. This is from Anastasia, and this is their Magic Touch Concealer. And I always get the shade 7. This is my favorite concealer, like, of all time. This is what it looks like. If you guys haven't seen it, I literally have like so many right here on my desk. Like, I buy it all the time, so I run out really fast. I don't know if it has like a little bit in there or what, because I do run out so freaking fast, but I use a lot, so definitely had to get that during the sale as well. All right, moving on to PR boxes. I tried to not open as many as I can just so you guys get my first reaction, but the only ones that I open are like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, and Colourpop. So I'll just run through those fast, but like I said, most of them I haven't opened. So this is from the Balm. Oh my god. Okay, I just ripped the box. Oh, there's like a box inside of a box. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute package. Look at it. That's adorable. Okay, how do you open this one now? Oh, it's Christmas theme. This will actually probably be uploaded like Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Hopefully you're having a good Christmas with your family and friends. But they sent some candy canes. They're all broken. But I love me some candy canes. It says, you were one of only a handful of influencers selected to receive our holiday mystery box. Ooh. Share on TikTok or Reels with the hashtag la for a chance to win. La. Happy holidays from Alex and the Balm team. Thank you guys. I feel so special. Oh my gosh. And I actually don't own anything from the Balm. I maybe have like one thing. So I'm really excited to try their products. We have this face primer. They have really cute packaging. So adorable. Alrighty. Then we got a mascara. A hint of tint for cheeks and lips. Oh, so that kind of reminds me of Benefit. A rose hip oil. Oh, it's an eyeshadow primer. Then we got a bright smooth talker with a great smile. What is this? Meet Matte. Oh, it's a liquid lipstick. Oh, and it looks like it's a really pretty nude shade. I didn't even know they had liquid lipsticks. What it looks like. Oh, it looks more orangey, like in the tube. Then we got a liquid eyeliner in a brown shade, and then also I think one in black. Yeah, so ooh, excited. I need a new liner. Okay, and this is the last thing. It looks like a palette. This is their double crosser highlighter, bronzer, and blush palette. Ooh, those look like good shades, like that I would use every day. I don't know about this highlighter. It looks kind of dark. Yeah, that highlighter looks a little dark for me. Like, I like really bright highlights, but those other two shades look really good. The next package is from Caudalie, one of my favorite skincare brands. So it looks like they sent over some Christmas sets. We have this beauty elixir. I actually have this in a full size, and I still haven't tried it. I really need to. And then their instant detox mask, which I use all the time. I actually used it last night. It looks like a smaller size of both, but that's a really cute set. And then we also got another set right here. So this one has their depuffer for your under eyes, your instant firm serum, and a firming moisturizer as well. And the serum kind of fell right there, but I don't think I've tried this one. I use this one all the time, but I think this one's a different one. But as you guys can see, I definitely use their skincare, so I'm excited for this. This next one is from Bare Minerals. Oh, this also looks like holiday. Oh, it's like perfect. I'm gonna upload this on Christmas, and so you guys are gonna see all these holiday sets that I got. So this one's skincare as well, and it's their Smoothness Soft Moisturizer, their Long Life Herb Serum, their eye cream, and also a Radiance Facial. So that is what that looks like. This looks like it's a box inside a box as well. Is this the same? The Balm sent me 2 of that same package. Oh, this is a different one actually. Different box and everything. So these are the Meet Matte Hues. I think it says Hues, yeah. It looks like lips. Oh, nope. Is it? Oh yeah, like a lip set. Look at that. That is so cute. So now I can try a lot of their lip colors. Really, really cute. Then they sent a little eyeshadow brush and a blue liquid liner. Ooh, that's a really pretty blue color. Then we got this Fun Guy eyeshadow palette. Oh, that's so cute. They look like little mushrooms. Look at that. Then we got another mascara and another black eyeliner. All right, and then they sent over the Bahama Mama bronzer, which I used to hear so much about this back in the day on the old YouTube days. And then also the Hot Mama blush, which look really pretty. I can't wait to try these. Oh, this one I already opened because I actually started using the products, but I got a package from Skin Proud and they sent over this cooling eye stick, which I actually been using every day because it actually feels really cold and it feels so good in the morning. Just like you literally, I just open it and go boop, boop, right under my eyes, and it's so hydrating and it feels so good. They also sent a jelly like moisturizer that does the same thing. I put it in my mini fridge, so it's like way over there, but I haven't tried that one yet. Next up we have Laura Mercier. We got some holiday sets. We have 3 of their caviar stick trios. We have their Laura Mercier translucent powder with their puff in the limited edition packaging. And then we have a little, looks like a cream bronzer and blush, or no, it just says blush, so I guess it's just like a darker blush, but those look cute. I'm excited to try that formula. Next up we have Versed Skincare, which is another one of my favorite skincare brands, and they sent over a little holiday set. And in here it comes with like a dermaplaning tool, an extra head, and then this serum, which is their clarifying serum. And I use this like every morning. It's really, really good. It's nice and lightweight to wear under makeup, but it's also for problem skin, so it's gonna help with my acne. And then they sent my favorite thing ever, which is a candle. So this is the Versed Afterglow Basking Candle. So it has white sage and dark musk, and it smells so good. If you guys could smell it through the screen, it reminds me a lot of like a mahogany teakwood from Bath and Body Works, like super manly smelling, but it smells so good. I can't wait to start using this. So we got that. Oh my God, I don't know what this one is, but it's really heavy. It's from Makeup Revolution. All right, there was a box inside of that box, but this is a collaboration with Netflix. So it's the School for Good and Evil. I haven't seen anything about this on Netflix, but this is so cute. Look, it's like girly and then dark. Oh yeah, oh my God, it's a whole collection. Look, they even gave me a book. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, this is like my first book I've ever owned. That is so cool though, I like that. And then it just came with like all this stuff. So we have a really colorful palette right here. That's what it looks like. And then to go with that, we have also another palette. This one's like 2-sided. And then we have the darker one, which definitely has more darker shades in there. And then these cute ass brushes. Look at them, they're so cute. I love the handles, so cute. This one's really heavy as well because I'm pretty sure it's a shampoo and conditioner, but let's see. So they sent over, this is from Rhyme and Reason, and they sent over their Nourish and Gloss shampoo for all skin types. It has coconut water in it, rosella flower, and hyaluronic acid. I like the packaging. And then also, of course, the conditioner. Next package is from Buxom. Ooh, I love that they put my name. It says Happy Holidays, Brittany. And they sent over, ooh, it looks like some holiday sets. We got a 2 like pack of mascaras right here. And then also a lip set. It has the plumper, the clear, and then like some minis of colored glosses. Next up we have a Colourpop one. It's a Small World, so it's like a Disney collab. And we have this lip set, super cute. Ooh, more darker toned colors I feel like, but still colorful. All right, and the last things, we have some blushes. I'm not gonna open them though, just because I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. And some Super Shock highlighters. Ooh, those look pretty. One's like white and then a darker one. All right, let's go ahead and get Ipsy out of the way. I have so much stuff in here. I'm only gonna point out the stuff that like caught my eye. Like, oh my God, look at this little, we got a little perfume. So much random stuff in here, like palettes, setting sprays. Got some skincare from Purelisse. Oh, and we got this little candle from Juicy Couture. It says honeybee, but it's like a little tiny candle, look. And it actually smells so freaking good. We've got another Ipsy box. Look, I love that little bag. We got some Theatre London, some face sheet mask, brushes, Tarte, and a face cream. Oh my gosh, this was so cute. I already did a video on this on my TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, I'm super active on there, like way more active than my YouTube channel. That's where I try all my makeup, or that's where I'll do like specific looks. Like I just did a Wednesday tutorial when that Netflix show came out. So make sure you guys go follow me on there. It's a good time. I actually just hit 500K, so that's like 500,000, and I'm just like so excited about it. But anyways, Beauty Creations sent me this gingerbread like little set, which I thought was so cute, so I definitely had to do a video on it. But it came with all this stuff. We have like a lip kit right here, like a nude lip kit, some eyelashes, and then the palette, which the palette is actually really pretty, and so is the face palette. I'll show you guys. But like it just has some really good shades in there for like fall and winter. And the lashes were really good. I haven't tried the lips yet. Did I try the lips in that video? I might have. I can't even remember. It was a long time ago. And then we got this face palette, which is also really good. Even the highlighter was nice. So that was really cute. I do usually like their stuff. Next up, we have another Bare Minerals package. A whole new world. Okay, they sent some lippies. And we got lip liners, which I'm really excited about because I love their lip products, but I don't have any of their lip liners. And they sent some good nude lip shades too. Look, those are the colors, brown and pink, my go-to. And then we got some matte liquid lips. So they came out with matte liquid lipsticks instead of their like glosses, and they're really good colors as well. And I cannot wait to try this formula. All right, let's move on to Kaleidos. They sent this really heavy package because it has inside, if I could open it, it has all their new contour and highlight palettes. So I actually have this one out already because I used it in my Wednesday tutorial because I wanted to look super contoured like her. And so I used this one right here, but it has just contour, bronzer, and highlighter in there. So that goes right there. And then they also sent a brush. So we got lots of different colors for those. So I'm gonna save some definitely for giveaways. And then BoxyCharm sent over a lot of boxes, but I kind of combined it all in this box since I opened them already for Instagram. But I'll show you guys the stuff like that stand out to me. Like this, like I'm so excited about this. This is like a mini heated brush, and I have naturally straight hair. So I feel like when days I wear my hair straight, sometimes it's like a little wavy, you know, from like the ponytail or getting it wet, but it's still straight. I'll just go in with this to like touch it up. So I cannot wait to try this. It's from the brand Soleil. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. Oh my God, it's so tiny. But I cannot wait to try that. I was super excited to see this in that box. We got some Murad eye cream in here. Just lots of different brands like Dominique Cosmetics, the Alicia Keys brand. We got skincare, OFRA, Cloud Jelly from Herbivore. This I thought was Truly, but it's not. It's Amina. It's a lip scrub. We got some more sheet mask, or these eye patches. no other sheet mask. This Anastasia palette, which was too light for me, so I'm gonna keep that in the box. Yeah, and just, oh, we got this, which I thought stood out to me. It's the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in a red. So I'm excited about this because I do like their formula. I have one of their liquid lipsticks. So this is like perfect for perfect red lip, you know? So I'm excited to have that. All right, and I did the same thing with this Colourpop box. Since I already opened it on my Instagram, I just threw everything in here. But we got the new holiday Muppets collection, which this palette is actually really pretty. I'll show you guys. Like, look how colorful and poppy these colors are. So we got the whole collection. It came with like lips. What are these? Yeah, more lips, more eyeshadows. Like each little character has its own eyeshadow, which I think is really, really cute. And then they also sent over another collection, which is just like a super colorful collection. So it has all different colors of their mascaras, literally all the colors, and then also in gel eyeliners as well. So we all got all that, and then even little eyeshadow palettes in all the monochromatic colors. We'll do Kaleidos next, just because I already opened these, because I did a video on my TikTok. So they came out with some new lip shades. These ones I haven't even looked at, but they're new nude colors, and I do like their formula. It's super comfortable. It's like a cream to powder formula, but these look like really pretty nude browns. And then we got these bold ones, which if you guys want to see these ones on, I did try these ones on my TikTok. There's like purple, red, brown, super pretty. And then they also sent this package, which in here came, I already forgot what this was, honestly. It looks like palettes. Oh yeah, look at this packaging. It's like cloth. It feels like a purse. So there's this pretty purpley blue one. Ooh, and then this cool tone brown one, or purpley brown, you know. Then they sent all of these, which I think are eyeliners. What are they? What are they? Yep, they're all eyeliners, so different colored eyeliners. And then their eyeshadow primer. This next package is from, it doesn't say. Oh, it's from Skin Proud again. I think I have a lot of this actually already. Bright Boost Vitamin C Serum. Purifying Pink Clay Mask, and then also the cleanser. Awesome. And speaking of skincare, got this big package from Roche-Posay. I think I'm saying that right. I like their skincare a lot too. I use one of their cleansers as well, and I put my brother onto their skincare too, so he uses their cleanser and their moisturizer. So let's see what they sent. Such a big package. Oh yeah, so this is the moisturizer I gave my brother to use because he has oily skin. So this is their Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. We got some hand cream, some serum, this thermal spring water, which I'm curious to see how this sprays. Like, is it for your face? Like, will it mess your makeup up because it's water, or will it help it? Is it skincare? I'm so confused. Thermal spring water sensitive skin. Soothes and protect. Interesting. Let me know if you guys have tried that. We also got a Melton Milk Sunscreen 60% or 60, SPF 60. I don't know how to say that. Body and face. And then the last two products, we got a Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, which I've already tried their one for oily skin and then also one for dry skin, but it wasn't this one. So I've been loving their cleansers actually. And then we got their vitamin C serum as well. And fun fact, I actually used one of their cleansers on my body too, like to wash my body. All right guys, oh my gosh, my baby hair is like getting all my freaking nerves. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.